Yes, that's the sun, 111 degrees. Walking over the hill. Had to leave Sandy and Toto at the car because Toto would never make it out here. I know Sandy would be out here in a second. I had to come over and check out this transport boat that's coming out of the water. I think it's a good judgment of where the water level is now. I can just see it coming into view. Hopefully the video isn't too shaky. Definitely hot out here. Oh, there it is. Well, it's not too much farther out of the water than the last video I saw. Maybe the water level drop has slowed down just a little bit. Well, we gotta go around and see the other side.
I can't pass the water with me.
Wow, it looks pretty cool. Look close, you can see the wood up on it. You can see it from the inside also, the wood up top. And I thought I saw something this way too. Yes, there's a boat out there. See if I can zoom in, you can see it. All right, I gotta go check it out. I'll be back. Dun 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 dun. A ship's aground on the shore of this uncharted desert isle. Oh wait, dang it. This is just desert. It's not a desert isle. This isn't even in the Pacific. This is Lake Mead. Well, this is Lake Mead. This used to be Lake Mead. This boat used to be underneath, learn to speak. It's hot out here. This used to be underneath Lake Mead. Whew, got that out, that was scary. Oh, man. I don't know. This is a cool boat. I would so like to have this boat if it was still a floater. Well, you know what? You never know what you'll find out here. You find about anything and everything. Looks like a fire extinguisher. Everything except the kitchen sink is out here. Looks like, okay. So maybe I'm wrong. Because that definitely looks like a kitchen sink. Okay, bathroom sink. Okay, galley sink. All right. Man, what a tough crowd. But back to the boat. That's a cool boat. The gauge is up on top. This is a cool dude. Man, I love it. Fishing pole in here too. One engine on this old girl. Looks like. Nope, 2 engines. I'm corrected. That one fell off. There's a little pull handle still on it. Okay, you know, because it's there. Oh, she's seized up. Okay, I guess it's seized up. No, kind of knew that was coming. Cool boat. I wonder how long this thing's been underwater. Oh, yep. Sarah, there's the toilet. Just for you. That's an inside joke. Sorry. Sorry about all the noises. It's kind of hot out here and I can't even see my phone. Sunglasses on and the screen's gone almost dark. I had my cold water bottle on the whole way out here trying to make it stay alive. Walking all the way out here and not being able to video the boat would have been a shame. Oh, this is just cool. I mean, not cool. Sad for the person that owned it. Don't know what happened, don't know what the story is. What is in letters on it? Well, they might be underneath all that stuff, but they are nowhere to be seen right now. And as an example, just to know where we trekked out here to show you this. It's 111 degrees. You can see way off in the distance that car with the dirt trail. That's where we drove down. And that's where we walked from. See if I can zoom in. And it's farther than it looks. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, there's 5 ravines I had to cross that I didn't see when I committed to this. But you know, like they say, if you ever been to Hawaii, talking about the big wave surfers, the sticker that says Eddie would go, when they're talking about a big wave set, Eddie would go. I don't remember his last name, Eddie Cow. I'm not sure, I'm probably saying it wrong. But kind of like telling everyone that he would go out. It's not too big. Well, when I saw this boat from over at the Landing Craft boat, I said to myself, if Sandy was here, Sandy would go. And if I don't go, well, I'd have to go. Sandy would go. So I channeled my inner Sandy and I came trucking over here. Now I've got this much water left. And I kind of saved it to keep the phone cool, and I'm out. I'm gonna head back to the car. See you later.